Nahim DS63 automatic 4x4. This one is the unit, automatic. Direct import from Japan by first owner. Mugs. Side view of the unit, DS63 automatic 4x4 side view. Very nice unit. Side view of the unit, DS63 automatic. Side view. Dashboards, nice dashboard, 4x4. This one is the pickup DS63 Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation. Suzuki 4x4 repeater. Suzuki and 4x4 sticker. Back cargo. Other side view. Inside view of the unit, DS63 upholstery. It's the for the this four-wheel drive button, this one, and handbrake, and this one. We will try to start this unit. This one start already. This one aircon. You can turn here. Slow here. Stereo. Also the very rare use. And this one I will show you that how to use this one. This one, for example, this one here, reverse, drive to low. Okay. And you can see in the dashboard also this parking, reverse and drive, this tow, and this is for the mountain use, low. Okay. Reverse, this one. And you can see the dashboard, nice. This is the overview of the unit, DS63 automatic 4x4, and we will try to close this video because I will not make too much long. And if you are interested to buy, you can contact us at Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation, Barangay Basak, Lapu-Lapu City, in front of daycare center. We are located. We have many units, recon, ready to drive and on order. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you will like this video. And if you like this video, please share with us and with your friends. And DS63 automatic 4x4 ready to drive. We have also DS63 manual 4x4. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and God bless you. Take care. Bye bye. Brother, sorry, before the off, we will just add this video that we will Atras Abanti. Abante, this one. So you can Atras Palehog. Aban Haran lights, signal light. Atrus. 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 Okay sir, this is the test already. They are ready to drive. And thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you sir. Take care. Bye bye.